How to book a hotel without credit card on booking.com. Now, in order to do this, the hotel has to enable the options to pay on arrival. But if the hotel has not allowed that option and you have to do the prepayment with the credit card, in that case, you cannot book a hotel without credit card. Now, in order to check this, you need to open your booking.com website or application and search for the location where you would like to stay. And there will be a bunch of stays in there. Just simply select the one which you would like to stay in. For example, let me select this one and tap to select rooms. And in the room details, you will get to see if the hotel allows you to pay on arrival or you need to pay beforehand. As you can see here in this detail page, it says no prepayment needed and no credit card needed. So in this hotel, you can very easily book without the credit card. In order to do that, tap to select button and tap to reserve. Then you need to fill out all of the information such as first name, last name, email address, country and region, and mobile number, along with two of the optional things that you can choose. And after that, tap to next step, and you can very easily tap to book now and book the hotel, and you can pay the amount when you arrive at the hotel. So this is how you can very easily book a hotel without credit card on booking.com. I hope